What did we say again? Good morning, Grace. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hello. What have we got here? Yeah. What have we got there? Really? What is it? Is it a balloon? Should we play with the balloon? Yeah. Do you like the balloon? Do you like the balloon? Do you like the balloon? Look at the balloon. Yeah. Is that good fun? You're not sure whether it's good fun or not. Who's this? Who's this? Who's that? Hello? Hello? Yeah. What's that funny noise you've got? What's the funny noise? What's the funny noise? Can you do it again? Yeah. Yeah, it was a funny noise. How's this balloon? Who bought the balloon for you? Was it your Ninka? Your Ninka the Stinker? Yeah, your Ninka the Stinker. She bought the balloon for you, didn't she? With a beautiful rattle. Yeah. Yeah. Do you like the balloon? Do you like the balloon? Do you? Yeah. It's exciting. It's exciting. Are you excited? Yeah. Yeah. Say goodbye. Bye, Grace. Bye.